Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the RAW file or a high-bit TIFF so you retain the most highlight data. Once opened, duplicate the background layer and enable Camera Raw Filter to keep edits non-destructive. You want to recover detail rather than repaint it, so reduce exposure by small increments first and pull highlights down. This restores clipped areas. Make sure to check the histogram as you work so you see when data returns, and avoid crushing midtones while recovering highlights. Once global sliders bring back detail, switch to local tools for precise fixes. You should use the adjustment brush or graduated filter with low flow to paint recovery into faces or skies, lower highlights, and raise shadows selectively. Then move into curves to rebuild contrast. Lift midtones gently and bring down highlights slightly. Make sure to toggle before slash after to verify natural tonality, because aggressive local work can create halos or uneven transitions if you overcorrect. Finish by blending adjustments smoothly. Use layer masks or blend if sliders to integrate recovered highlights with the original image so transitions read natural. Once done, apply selective noise reduction to areas where recovery amplified grain and sharpen only after denoising. If you see banding or posterization, convert to 16-bit and reapply subtle Gaussian blur or dithering. This usually fixes posterization. Make sure to save a layered file and export a high-quality final copy for delivery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.